Morning. Today is Friday, April 16th. And our ICAN for today says, I can solve elapsed time word problems. This is our last day of elapsed time. Let's see how we do. We have 3 problems to write today. Here's number 1. The football game ended at 8:20. It lasted for 3 hours and 30 minutes. What time did it start? All right, so I know my ending time. I'm going to go ahead and make a number line. To me, this really is the easiest way to solve these problems. I know we ended at 8:20, so I need to make it 8 o'clock down here. I'm going to make it 8:30. I'll put the 2 lines in there for 10 and 20. 8, 10, 8:20. Got 8 o'clock. 7 o'clock. 6 o'clock. 5 o'clock. We'll even put a 4 o'clock on here. I know that the game ended at 8:20. I'll put a little dot right there. That's my end time. I'm trying to figure out when it started. What time did the game start? Now, a too fast 4th grader would have started at 8:20 and added 3 hours and 30 minutes and gotten something way late into the night, but they don't play football in the middle of the night. So we have to actually work our way backwards for this one. We need to count backwards 3 hours and 30 minutes. Well, let's see here. I'm at 20. So that's 10, 20. 10 plus 10 is 20. That got me to the hour. I need to do 3 whole hours. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. It's 1 hour, 1 hour, and 1 hour. I've got 20 minutes. I need to go backwards another 10 minutes. So let me add in my 4:30 and then my 2 marks for 4:40 and 4:50. I'm going to jump back 10 more. What time did this game start? Well, this space right here says it's 4:50 was the starting time. And that's my answer. This is an example of being given the end time. We knew the elapsed time, and we had to work our way backwards to find the starting time. All right, that's number 1. Let's try number 2. Ginger started cleaning her yard at 6:35 p.m. after dinner, after school. She finished at 7:40 p.m. Still evening time, getting close to bedtime. How long did she work in the yard? Okay, press pause if you need to. It says Ginger helped clean the yard at 6:35 p.m. and she finished at 7:40. So guys, I know my starting time and I know my ending time. I'm going to start with a number line. I'm going to start at 6 o'clock. Here's 7 o'clock. Go up to 8 o'clock. Ginger helped clean the yard at 6:35. All right, well, I know 6:30 goes in the middle. I know 7:30 goes in the middle. I usually just make 2 marks to show my 40 and my 50. But guess what they did this time? They did 635. 635 is going to come right here. So I'm going to add all my little marks. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 little marks in between there, giving me the 6 spaces. So when I jump, I'm counting by 5 minutes. I have 6:30, 6:35, 6:40, 6:45, 6:50, 6:55, and then it will be 7 o'clock. Now I have to do this all the way to 7:40. Here's 7:30, 7:40. That's the 40 and that's the 50. But if I split this chunk up into 5 pieces, I should do that with all of my pieces, huh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. Now I've labeled all of my little 5-minute ticks. I'm starting at 6:35, and I have to count all the way up to 7:40. Well, here's 6:35. Do you guys see 7:35 on my clock or on my number line? I have 6:35. I see 7. I see 7:30. I guess 7:35 would be the one right after here, huh? 6:35 to 7:35. That's 1 hour. And then one tiny little jump of 5 minutes. So how long did she work in the yard? 1 hour and 5 minutes. All right, not so bad. They're getting a little bit easier as we keep practicing. That's the point of our practice. Last one for today. This is number 3. Parlina went to the park with her brothers at 3:15. They played for 3 hours and 40 minutes. What time did they leave the park? Parlina and her brothers went to the park at 3:15. They played for 3 hours and 40 minutes. What time did they leave? I'm going to make a number line. And I'm going to start down here with 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, and 8 o'clock. That should give us plenty of time. I started at 3 o'clock because my time started at 3:15, so 3 is the hour. Now I know this one is 3:30. I could label 4:30, 5:30, 6:30, and 7:30. Those are easy to label, right? Now, because I'm using 15, I'm going to use 5 little marks between each of these spaces. That way I can just count by 5 minutes very easily, just like we do around the clock. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm starting at 3:15. Here's 3. So I'm counting by 5s. 5, 10, 15. I'll start right here. 3:15. They played for 3 hours. So let's make 3 big jumps. I'm starting at 3:15. I have to go to 4:15. 4, 5, 10, 15. I'm going to jump there. Let's see if I can find 5:15. 5, 10, 15. Let's see if I can find 6:15. 5, 10, 15. Okay, so these will be my 3-hour jumps. It's 1 hour, 1 hour, and 1 hour. I started at 3:15. I jumped for 3 hours. 3:15, 4:15, 5:15. Now we're at 6:15. And 40 minutes. So I need to jump around down the number line 40 minutes. So I'm going to skip count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. I am one space in front of 7 o'clock. What time did they leave? They left at 6:55 p.m. And I know that because I started at 6:15 and I could have counted from 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. They left at 6:55 p.m. All right, so use your notes to work on your practice today. Please take your time, make sure you're figuring out your work. Have a great day.